E-commerce champions, welcome to the channel. Today we're having a look at Shopify, a classic. We're also having a look at Fourthwall, bit of a new player, and we're going to see which one of these e-commerce platforms is best suited for your specific needs. So let's check them out. Let's jump into Shopify. So Shopify has an extensive app marketplace. It boasts a vast library of hundreds and thousands of apps that can easily be integrated to enhance functionality, covering everything from marketing to inventory management. Some of the apps are even made by Shopify, so they're really awesome. You also have customizable themes. The platform offers a range of beautiful customizable themes that allows you and your business to create a visually appealing storefront tailored to your specific brand. You may not even recognize that a storefront is actually powered by Shopify. Also, with the integrated payment options, Shopify supports numerous payment gateways, simplifying transactions for merchants as well as customers. Having a look at just one of their drawbacks, though, the ongoing subscription cost can add up at the end of the day, making Shopify a bit of a potential expensive option for small businesses or entrepreneurs kind of just starting out. If you are on a bit of a tight budget and you're testing the waters, it might be a problem. Having a look at Fourthwall, Fourthwall provides seamless tools for creators to sell merchandise as well as content, catering specifically to individual enterprises and small brands. The platform includes community building tools that allow you as a creator to engage directly with your audience, fostering loyalty and repeat business, which is awesome as a small creator or a small entrepreneur. Fourthwall's print-on-demand functionality eliminates inventory management hassles, allowing you to sell custom products without upfront costs or having to even integrate third-party tools to do exactly that. However, their scalability is slightly limited. While it is great for individual creators, Fourthwall may not offer that scalability needed for larger businesses or anybody with extensive product lines. So if you are looking to scale, maybe it's not the best solution. Now, as you can see, both of these platforms have fantastic perks. They have wonderful features and one or two drawbacks that we need to take into consideration when making a choice. The ultimate takeaway here is to make sure you're using both of them in a real life scenario and see which one really works for your needs. If you enjoyed this video, drop us a like, share it with a friend. We'll see you next time.